How to create a Spendwell bank account online. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Spendwell bank account online quickly and easily, so let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and going to the Spendwell website at spendwell.com. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're on the home page, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You need to fill in basic details such as your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password for your account. Spendwell may ask you to verify your identity by submitting a photo ID or answering a few security questions. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Review Spendwell's terms and conditions and privacy policy, and once you're ready, accept them to proceed. You'll be asked to link a debit card or bank account to fund your Spendwell account. This can be done by entering your card or account details. Once all the steps are completed, click on Submit or Create Account to finalize your registration. Your account is now set up. You can start managing your funds, making payments, and using all the features Spendwell offers. And that's it. You've successfully created a Spendwell bank account online. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.